I'm addicted to the love that you're giving. Every minute, every day I've been craving. I don't wanna get you out of my...
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a relaxing clean with me video. This is my first cleaning video in our new home. We just moved here a week ago, so there is actually a bit of deep cleaning that I need to get done in the kitchen. This is the only room that is completely unpacked, so I hope you guys enjoy this. I would love for you to just sit back and relax, enjoy the music because I have some new songs for you guys, or if you would like to clean along with me, then do so. Also, if you are new, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. I love to help other mamas and ladies out there to get motivated and cleaning. So if you like videos like this, then please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy.
No, cause I like the way it feels when you touch me. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You got me good. Ooh, ooh. Oh babe, all I'm thinking about is when you come around. Ooh, ooh. Cause you got me. Play the game just like a pro, didn't stand a chance. You took it all, yeah, you won by a landslide. Oh babe, left your trademark on my cheek, now I'm all yours. Got me calling you up at night just to hear your voice. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You got me good. Ooh, yeah. All I'm thinking about is when you come around. Ooh, hey. Tell me your heart. Is it only me? Is it only me you've got on that call? Cause I need to know, baby. Yeah, I gotta know right now. So good, babe, so good, babe. So good, so good, so good, it hurts. So good, babe, so good, babe. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You got me good.
You got someone new, I know it. Yeah, but I will keep on denying. Gotta keep my emotions from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. Yeah, cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. I'm messed up, oh yeah, I know it. All alone with mixed emotions. Yeah, gotta keep my temper from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. be human for a while. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all, to fix it all, to fix it all. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while.
Girlfriend, you got me smiling brighter each day. Stars are brighter, I feel lighter in every way. Girlfriend, there's no one like you when it comes to loving. Life is richer, lips are sweeter. Now listen, stay and let's figure out where to go and how about family, new history. Here I go, dreaming. You got me going wilder than wild. Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Oh, you got me winning my laughter mind. I know there's nothing that I can't do with you, with you. Girlfriend, you make my edges seem smooth. The world is happier and less busy around us too. Girlfriend, just one look at you and I'm out of control. Well, I'm the luckiest of the lucky. Let me hold you close so wild. We figure out where to go and how about one lighthouse just for us. Here I go, dreaming. You got me going wilder than wild. Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Oh, you got me winning my laughter mind. No, there's nothing that I can't do with you. You got me going wilder than wild. Girlfriend, there's nothing that can stop us. Oh, you got me winning my laughter mind. No, there's nothing that I can't do with you, with you.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? I see you watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it